Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn to draw cats. Firstly, subscribe, like, and press the bell icon. Firstly, I write cat in the capital letters and start drawing. Through this idea you must try. I think it's best for the beginners. Cats are my most favorite pet animal. They are so pretty, so cute, and I love to draw cats drawing. I bring a series of cats drawing easy tutorial videos with pencil easily. It's so easy for the beginners. I request to allow you to try it must. Cats look so pretty. If you are not a perfect artist, then you must watch this video till end. You will learn to draw cats easily. These tutorial videos are too much easy and I think it's a good idea. How to sketch cat. If you like it, please tell me in comment section. This is my favorite one sketch. I like it the most to draw it. WRITE to 100 first and then move your pencil on paper. As I am doing you, it's so amazing and good to see which one idea do you like the most. Please tell me in comment section. Cat's drawing is too much easy. Oh, this cat is sleeping very nicely. Do you like it? Here it is, another easy and amazing drawing tutorial video of cats. Cats are mostly liked by the people. Viewers, if you have cat, then tell me in comment section. I hope you cat will be cute as always they are. Its eyes look so pretty, so innocent she is looking. Now I am coloring the cat's body features. You should try it must. Hope you will like it. You can see how pretty she is looking. Viewers, just please try at least once. Just only one easy one from this video. Which do you like the most? Which you feel it's easy for you? Try it must and keep creating. Creative drawing is best for the beginner. Should new things daily. I am drawing a cat who is playing with a ball. Cat is playing and I like its pose. That's why I capture it and bring it to the paper. I hope you will find it easy to draw. Be a creative mind. Your mind will grow and you will be happy every passing day. Creativity is about more than just making something beautiful. It's about using your imagination to solve problems and create something truly meaningful. When we tap into our creativity, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities and opportunities. The beauty of creativity is that it's a never-ending journey. There is always something new to discover, something new to learn, something new to create. Creativity is the force that can change the world. It has the power to inspire, to heal, and to connect us all. Creativity is all about finding new ways to express yourself and sharing your unique ideas. At its best, it is a collaborative process that brings people together to share their ideas and to create something greater and matchless. And next one drawing is of cat which is in the coffee mug, looking very cute and amazing. I hope you will like this series of cats drawing tutorial. Like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling and be creative. Till next, try to keep your mind creating.